Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony, and I just got done with the first of two craft, decoration, decor, collaboration auctions that I had scheduled for the week. And as you know, we got the storage locker because of these. Well, I was going to get a storage locker either way, but I got that specific storage locker because of the auctions I was going to be a part of. So we paid $240 for the unit, and so far, let me show you where we are at as far as recouping money after the first auction.
We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Big shout out to everybody whose name's on that list who's helping your boy recoup it. So after the first auction, I believe I might have taken out one of the... Actually, if you remember the very first video I posted, title is like Savage Grannies cleans out a storage locker or something like that. It was like 2 days ago. So anyway, in that video, I pulled this thing out. It had like stationery stuff in it, napkins, all kinds of like stuff like that. Essentially, I pulled that out, that tote, and like a tiny box, and I still have everything else. And we've gone 2 days in a row to the unit to clean stuff out, pack the van full, and then we've come home with everything, and I still have stuff at the unit, and we are running out of room here at the house. So this has been a great investment, guys. Want to see something really cool? I posted this on Instagram as well. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me over there. But look at, oh, I don't want to show you the person's address, but look at this receipt. These are all items that I have that are like brand new. It's like brand spanking new, but look at that. That's like insane, guys. So like I got multi-thousands of dollars worth of decorations. Just this one right here is $640.20, and I know offhand I have all of these items, and most of them are brand new. A lot of the stuff that we sold in the auction today was brand new stuff. It's all, I'm telling you, this was a score. At $240, this was an absolute home run. Super happy. We are having another auction. I will put the link to that one in this video, so make sure you guys come out and check that out tonight as you're watching this. So check the description, because there will be a link to the very next auction, and I will have tons of lots from this crazy awesome high-end collectible decorations unit. It's gonna be awesome, guys. All right, guys, so I don't know if you remember this lighted elephant, but I just listed it local on Marketplace for $25. Let me know if that's a good price or not. I don't know if I'm getting my head kicked in or not on it. All right, guys, so Savage Granny and I are at the facility again. We're getting ready to go in and hopefully finish the unit today. Here's hoping, guys. So we're gonna each grab a cart. We're gonna head up that elevator again, up to trusty 345, and hopefully everything that's left fits in the van, so I don't have to drive out here again, because this is about 40 minutes from the house for us. So hopefully I won't have to make that drive again, which it's all highway and it's literally a straight shot, so it's not that bad. Plus it gives me an excuse to go to IKEA, because this is like literally the only IKEA that I know of out here. So yeah, we'll check in with you when we get there. You're a wild woman.
Don't show anybody that.
Nah, it's my secret with me and you and about 1,600 of our closest friends. Okay.
I should do it. I don't know why it's going off to the side.
I don't know.
It doesn't mind if it's up.
All right, guys. Let's get on into good old 345. All right, guys. So this is what we have left. We have these 2 tubs. This, I'm going to break that down. We have this. This is like a lighting fixture. That's a little basket. These fixtures here, I'm going to break down and put in that tote to make it easy. This literally right here, this is the only trash I have, just these empty boxes. And then that's the box to the shelf. This is a brand new bookshelf, so I'm gonna keep it in there. The rest of this should fit in the van today, and we should be out of here, guys. Say goodbye to this high-end collectibles unit, guys. We should be in the profit for this tomorrow. All right, guys, so we broke everything down. As you can see, this is what's left of the unit. All that we have is the big part of the tree, like the main tree, and this little table stand thing. And then we got some trash right here we're gonna come back and pick up. That's literally the only trash. 1 empty box and a couple of those empty things. Everything else was good. So Graham's got this cart. I've got this cart. We're gonna go load this stuff in the van, come back and grab these last couple items. All right, guys, so the rest of the stuff is loaded on the cart. I got this box broken like that because we're gonna just sweep all of the junk, all of the dirt, because it's important, guys, to leave the place nice when you leave, because you want the facility to look fondly upon their experience with you. So you never know when you could meet a good business contact that, you know, they may be like, wow, you took a really good job took real good care of that unit. I appreciate you doing that. You did it quick. Maybe in the future, they'll call me before it goes to storage treasures. So that's the hope. So we're cleaning it out now. Literally the only trash is that garbage going into this box that we emptied that had the rugs in it, and just these empty boxes. Other than that, everything else, guys, is all resellables. This is definitely the exception to storage lockers for sure. The longer I think about it, rather than throwing these boxes away, guys, I'm gonna bring them home because there's still a whole lot of stuff we haven't unboxed yet. So we may have the boxes to these things, and the resale value on stuff like this is much better when you have the actual box. So hopefully we'll be able to actually reuse some of these boxes. If not, I'll just throw it out when my garbage man comes this week and just sweat off my back. But it could be potentially more profit in my pocket. So I'm gonna hold on to it for that purpose. I don't know about you guys, but it's the best feeling in the world to have a completely finished storage locker. How's it feel to be done with that, Graham?
Oh, I'm glad.
Yep.
I'm so glad.
Now let's go make some money, guys. All right, guys, I'm just putting the cart back. We are officially done. The van is full all over again. And as you saw, the unit is empty. So this one's completely done from here, but now the real work begins because I have to unbox everything, sort everything, lot everything, sell everything, figure out where it's going. And I don't know if you remember Graham walking them circles the other day. She's lost again. Look at her. She loves this parking lot. I don't know what she's gonna do now that this unit's empty. I guess we're gonna have to buy another one. What do you guys think? All right, y'all, now that we're packed, I promised this gem over here a trip to IKEA now that she is loving these IKEA bags. How's the storage life treating you, Graham?
Okay.
Yeah? Tired?
Beat.
Yeah, me too. Me too, guys. Me and Graham did this entire storage unit by ourselves in 3 days. And we had the entire month, but we crushed it in 3 consecutive days.
Thank God.
1 van load each day.
Yep.